Semi-truck and Cybertruck. They are real and they are spectacular. Welcome to my channel, Rudy Romo here. So, one day removed from the Cybertruck Delivery Event, let's look at all the features that set the Cybertruck apart from the competition. Spoiler alert, these are numerous critical attributes that are sure to catapult sales as fast as Tesla can ramp up production. Seeing the Cybertruck out on the American roads and highways will also create what's known as a halo effect, which will draw attention not just to the Cybertruck but also to the rest of the Tesla lineup. There are three Cybertruck review YouTube videos that I recommend: Hagerty, Top Gear, and Marques Brownlee. I also recommend watching the entire Cybertruck delivery event via the CNET channel on YouTube, as well as Dave Lee's thoughts on the Cybertruck and the event. While many are complaining that the price is too high on the three models, the single motor price was about what I expected. In my opinion, there are several factors that will lower the cost over the next 6 to 18 months. Number one, point of sale $7,500 federal incentive. And additionally, California has incentives worth thousands. Number two, lower interest rates. Number three, prices will drop as volume production scales up. Number four, battery and lithium prices are dropping like a rock. Number five, using Optimus bots could lower COGS even more. And now let's count the ways Cybertruck's most important technological features will leave the competition in the dust. Performance, steer by wire. This eliminates the mechanical connection between the steering wheel and the wheels, allowing for more precise control and customization of steering feel. Speed, 0 to 60 mph in 2.6 seconds. The Cybertruck's tri-motor all-wheel drive system delivers incredible acceleration, making it faster than most sports cars. 800-volt high voltage fast charge. This allows the Cybertruck to be charged quickly and efficiently, reducing charging time and increasing range. 48-volt architecture. This powers the Cybertruck's various accessories and features, including the air suspension and CyberQuad ATV. Rear wheel steering. This improves maneuverability, making it easier to park and navigate tight spaces. No paint, cold rolled stainless steel construction. This makes the Cybertruck incredibly durable and resistant to damage, eliminating the need for a paint job or rust proofing. Adaptive air suspension. This provides a smooth and comfortable ride regardless of the terrain. 17-inch ground clearance. This allows the Cybertruck to tackle even the most challenging off-road conditions. 2,500-pound payload capacity. This allows the Cybertruck to carry a heavy load of cargo. 11,000 pounds of towing capacity. This allows the Cybertruck to tow trailers, boats, and other large objects. 240-volt and 120-volt power outlets. These outlets can be used to power tools, appliances, and other devices. Spray line bed. This makes the bed of the Cybertruck easy to clean and maintain. Backseat bottoms tipped for storage. This provides additional storage space in the cabin. Back seat folds flat to create a 6-foot bed. This allows for even more cargo space when needed. Autopilot semi-autonomous driving system. This system can take control of steering, acceleration, and braking in certain conditions. Tesla mobile app. This app allows you to control various features of your Cybertruck remotely, such as locking and unlocking the doors, starting the climate control system, and checking the battery level. Additionally, the Cybertruck is designed to be easily upgradable with many features and options that can be added after purchase. This allows you to customize your Cybertruck to your specific needs and preferences. Here are some other features of the Cybertruck that you might have missed. CyberQuad ATV. This electric ATV can be stored and charged in the Cybertruck's bed. Solar roof. This optional feature can help to extend the Cybertruck's range. Starlink satellite internet. This optional feature will provide internet access even in remote areas. Cyber whistle. This whistle-shaped accessory can be used to call your Cybertruck to you. Cybertruck vault. This secure storage compartment can be used to store valuables. These are just some of the most important technological features of the Cybertruck. This innovative electric pickup truck is packed with cutting-edge technology that is sure to impress even the most tech-savvy driver. So, when Elon says Cybertruck is the future, I choose to believe him. Don't just listen to Elon. Listen to other experts like Sandy Monroe, Gene Munster, Dan Ives, Gary Black, Ron Barron, Larry Goldberg, and many others. You will not regret it. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe so that YouTube algorithms will get it to more people. If you disagree with any of the points made, or if you have any suggestions on how to improve future videos, please comment below. The material and thoughts shared here are based on my own personal research and factual to the best of my knowledge. Please do your own research.